In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a powerful AI agent to Dong HOA Facebook using Python. This is a complete step-by-step guide that will take you from zero to a fully working system. We will be using modern AI tools and Python libraries to make everything work seamlessly. The best part is that you do not need any expensive hardware or API keys to get started. First, we will set up our development environment and install the necessary dependencies. Then we will write the core logic that powers our automation. The code is clean, modular, and easy to understand. I have included comments throughout so you can follow along even if you are new to Python programming. After building the system, we will test it with real data to make sure everything works correctly. You will see the actual output and results in this video. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional AI agent to Dong HOA Facebook that you can customize for your own projects. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This helps the channel grow and allows me to create more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching AL Studio. Keep building and stay creative.